In this video, I am going to show you the solution of this exercise related to PowerPoint. So let us start. So we have to start question number 1, start Microsoft PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. So we can go to the start menu and search for the software PowerPoint. And once it opens, we can select the blank presentation. Okay, so I'll put this one in this right side so that I can read the question and do it and show you the steps. Question number 3, apply the integral theme from the design tab. So we'll go to the design tab and we'll select the theme integral. This one is integral. After that we'll select transition effect. Okay, so the transition effect, that is select the push transition effect from the transition tab. Effect option, it will be from right. Duration 2 seconds, advanced slide on mouse click and apply to all. So let us go to the transition and we'll select the push transition, and then effect we'll select from here from right. Duration, it will take 2 seconds, so change 2 seconds on mouse click and we'll click apply to all. Apply to all to basically now we have only one slide, but later on we'll add some other slides. So if I click apply to all, it will be applied. This transition will apply to all the slides that I will add later on. Open the slide master, question number 5, from the view tab and apply the following settings to the slide. So let us go to the view tab and you can see here slide master. So slide master is basically the option from where you can change the background picture, the color, the font style, just about everything else. You can change anything from here. And once you change anything here, and if you close this and go back to the presentation, you will see that change will be applied there. So now let us see the question. We have to change the layout, title and content at first. We'll change the title 38, Cambria bold. So let us open the title and content. So if you take your mouse on top of the slide to show the name, you can see this is the title and content. So I'll select the title. Now we'll make 38 Cambria. So let us make Cambria and 38 here, and we'll apply bold also. Then the main bullet 30 Arial and use the start symbol. So this is the main bullet. You can see there are no symbol now. You can right click on these and select the bullets. Sorry for this. So we'll select the bullets, star bullet. You can also do the same thing from the home tab from the paragraph group. And now let us make Arial and 30. Okay, now the sub bullets will make 23 Arial. So let us select the sub bullets. We'll apply Arial 23. Now we'll change now title slide, which will make the title 60 Calibri. So the previous one, this one is title slide. Here the title will change to Calibri and the font size will be 60 and it will be bold. Now the subtitle will just change the size to 28. That's all. Now question 6, we have to use title and content slide layout for inserting 3 action buttons. Action buttons are looks like this basically. If you see this output, these are action buttons. So we'll make like this now. So we'll open the title and content slide again and we'll insert. So you can go to the insert tab and shapes, and we can, if you go at the bottom of the list, you'll see these are the action buttons we'll insert. So let us insert this one at first. This is next. You can just draw the desired location, and when the action settings will open, you can just click OK, because this is a hyperlink to next slide. So whenever you click on these, it will open the next slide. Now we can go to the insert again and we'll select the home button, and this sizes of this one you can change anytime you want. You can adjust it later on also. So let us see now. So I'll just adjust some sizes here. This one I'll make a little smaller maybe. Okay. So these are the three action button that we created. This one I'll make a little bit bigger. Okay. Alright, now question number 7, we have to adjust the footer, slide number, date and time at the specified location as shown in the output, and also we will apply bold and font size 12 for the slide number, date and time and footer. So let us see the location. You can see the slide number, the date and time in the left corner, which is also we have left corner. So just let us make 12 and bold. And the footer, we can see the footer currently here, but we have to move to the right corner. So let us take it. Now if you select this box, you can click on the border of this box and you can move anywhere you want. And you see this arrow here, this is spinning option. You can spin it and you can also change the alignment you want. So I'll take here just the right corner, maybe a little bit down. So here now the size of these I will make bold and the size 12. Now you see the slide number in the middle, so I'll bring this slide number here in the middle, and the slide number will select and we'll make it bold, and also the size will make 12. Alright, now next question number 8. We have to click header and footer under the insert tab and click the boxes date and time, slide number and footer. In the footer we have to type PowerPoint exercise and click the box don't show on title slide, and finally click apply to all. Basically we have modified the date and time, slide number and footer, but we did not insert it in our presentation. So to do that we have to go to insert tab and we have to go to the header and footer. Then we have to select, like I want to include date and time in my presentation, so I select it. I want to include slide number, footer, and the footer I want to write down the message PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint exercise. This is the way written in the output. You can check here. Okay. And then we will click don't show on title slide. That means I do not want to show these information in the title slide. Except title slide, it will be shown in all other slides. So it will click apply to all. Question number 10, we have to close the slide master now. You have to close the slide master by clicking on the slide master tab, and you click on the close master view. So now we have changed some slide in the slide master, and we now come back to the presentation. So here now we are going to write our real presentation. Question number 11. In the first slide we'll type PUIP002. So here as the title I will type PUIP002 dash lab 06, and here you can write down your name. So you can write down the name and your ID number. Now question number 12, we are going to add a new slide. Okay, so we'll go to the home tab and new slide option, and then we'll select title and content slide, title and content. Now we'll type secondary storage devices here. Okay, as the title, Now we'll type some bullets. So these are the bullets: USB flash, hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray. So we'll type it here: USB flash, okay, hard disk, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray. And then we'll add sub bullets of the hard disks. So we'll go after the hard disk, press enter key, and to make it sub we can press tab key, and also you can use the increase list level option from here, from the paragraph. So here we'll type IDE and CSI. Okay, so for the animation we can add also the animation here. So to add the animation, I'm going to add this animation pane. Okay, that is really helpful to modify the animations. So we'll select the title and we'll add animation entrance flip. Entrance, there you see there are 4 types of animation: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. So the flip is not here, that's why we have to go to more entrance, and the flip we can see here. So we just click, it will be added. Now the main bullets, entrance, boomerang. So I'll select only the main bullets, not the sub bullet. So you can select multiple item by pressing Control key. And now we'll add animation boomerang. Also the boomerang is not here, so we'll go to the more entrance, and the boomerang we can see here. Question number 13, we have to add a new slide again. So this is the question: we have to add a new slide, title and content, type when bandwidth. So we'll go to the home, new slide, we'll add title and content, and here we are going to write when bandwidth as the title. Now click on the chart content icon to insert a chart from column template using 3D clustered column to represent the data below. You can see in the middle here, this is the insert chart option. So these are the template. We have to select the column template, and the type of the chart is 3D clustered column. You can check the name by clicking on these items. So here I'll click on this is the 3D clustered column that we want to insert today. So we click OK now, and here we'll just type the information, the data given in the question. So here we'll type when bandwidth. I can change the size of the column by just clicking on this. So here we'll type bandwidth kbps. I can also change this one. Now I do not need the another 2 extra columns, so I can delete it. I can just right click on this column, okay, and then click on delete, and that will be deleted. So we deleted these 2 extra column. Now just we'll type the data here, and once you type, your chart will change automatically. So here we'll type dial up 52. Let me write down the number at first, then here DSL T1 E1 and B set, and here I'm going to type the number now: 512 1544 48 and to program. So once we finish the typing, we can see our chart also has been changed. Now we just click and close this Excel sheet. Anytime you want to open it back, you can just right click and you can click on edit data. so that will open the chart again, and you can, if you want any modification, you can do it. Now we'll add the animation here. So for the title, we'll add entrance peek in. So select the title, we'll go to the animation again, add animation. Peek in is also not here. We'll go to the more entrance, and here you can see peek in. Okay, now we'll add also some more effect like start with previous. So if you click on this arrow, you can see start on click, start with previous and start after previous. There are 3 start options. So I'll click on start with previous, and the direction from top. So I'll add the direction. So we'll go to the effect options, and we'll add the direction here from top. Now we'll add the animation for the chart. So entrance wipe, let us select the chart, add animation, wipe, entrance wipe is here, so we'll select it from here. Now we have to start on click, we have to add the effect start on click. This is already on click. Then direction from bottom, so we'll go to the effect option and direction, this is the bottom. Duration fast, so we'll go to the time, and here the duration will change to fast. Then group chart by element in series, so we'll add element in series option from here. Now click OK. Question number 14, we'll add another slide here, which is also title and content. So we'll go to the home tab, new slide, title and content. Now we'll type organization chart here. Organization chart is the title slide. Select the insert SmartArt graphic. This is the SmartArt graphic icon, so you can click on that. Now we have to select organization chart option from the hierarchy category. This is hierarchy category, and this one is organization chart. You can see that, look at the name here. So you click OK. Now here we have to type the information as shown in the output. So let us see the output now. So you have to type here A, B. Either you can select each of these item and change the name, or you can also change it from the left side. This menu you can just open by clicking on this arrow. So you can also type from here. Now if you look at the output, we have to add 2 more items under the D. So there are 2 different ways to add it. One, you can just right click on the D, and you can go to the add shape. So I have to add a shape below, you can do it from there. Also, if you go to this menu, you can see these are like bullet list and sub bullet list. So you can also add it from here. Both are okay. So here we write F and G. Now see the design of this. Okay, so this is called layout of the diagram. So we'll change the layout of the D. So you can just double click on the D, and here it will open a SmartArt design tab, and in the left side create graphic option, and you can see this one, this is the layout option, and here we have to select the both option. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to change the color. So select the colorful accent color. So if you double click on the diagram on top, you'll see after this layout option the color option. We'll select colorful accent color. This is the colorful category. There are different colorful options here. We'll select accent 1, and then we'll select 3D polished from the SmartArt style. So you see the SmartArt style, after the color we'll apply 3D, and this one, this is polished. So this is done. Now let us do the animation. The title entrance boomerang. So let us select the title, and we'll go to the add animation now. Boomerang we did before, that is under the more entrance effect, and this one is boomerang. Now we'll apply some other effect, start after previous. so we'll select here start after previous and duration fast. So we'll go to the duration timing now, and this is already fast, so just click OK. SmartArt style, so we'll select SmartArt style. Entrance fade, so we'll go to the add animation and fade. This is entrance fade. Start after previous, so we'll apply here start after previous. Duration fast, and group graphic by level at once, so we'll select the duration from the timing. We'll change to fast, and we'll go to the SmartArt animation and select by level at once, just click OK. After that, now we are going to add another slide here, add title and content slide layout. So we'll go to the new slide, add title and content, and here we are going to type drawing shapes as the slide title. So drawing shapes. Now delete the text frame, draw an oval, triangle and a star, and each has different color. So let us see the output, what are the color there. So we'll delete this text frame, so you can click on the border of this frame and press delete from the keyboard. Now we'll draw oval, so let us go to the insert shapes and we'll draw oval, the basic, under the basic shape. So you can draw it, and you can write here the message PSPP. Then we'll draw triangle, so again you go to the shapes, basic shapes, the triangle we draw here, and here the text is PMP. And this one is yellow color, so you can just change from the shape, the fill option from here. Also you can right click on this diagram and then you can change the fill color from here. Okay, so either you can change from the shape format tab from here, or right click on the shape and you can change it. So now we'll draw the star, 5 star from here, and then we will write down PEP, and here also we'll change the fill color to change the fill color to red. Okay, so this is just a little bit, I'll move it to the right. Okay, now let us see the animation we have to apply here. So you have to apply the line motion path to each shape, okay, and extend the destination in such a way that the oval moves to the star moves to the triangle, and triangle moves to the oval, and set all movements to be together. To make all the movements together, you can select all of them together and apply the motion path, but I'll show you individually. So I'll apply the motion path here at first. So I'll go to the PSCP animation and I will apply the motion path, that is here, line motion path. Similarly, I will apply line motion path here, and I will apply here. Now after that, I'll change the destination. So we'll extend the destination, so the oval will move to the star. So you can see this is the destination. So this is the where it starts and it will stop here. If you play, you can see. So now I'll change this destination. So if you click on this red arrow on the destination, it will become a red circle, and you can click on these and you can now move. You can click and hold your mouse pointer and you can just move it anywhere you want. So I want to change the destination such a way that PSCP will start here but it will end here. The destination will be here. Similarly, this one, I'll change the destination to the triangle, and the triangle I'll change the destination to the oval. So you can see now, if I play all, so the oval is coming to the star, star is going to the triangle, and triangle is going to the oval. but the question told us that set all movements together. So how we can make together? I can just select from here, I can just select the animation here, start with previous. So if I say the star will start with previous, that means it will start with the oval, and the triangle with previous. So all of these now will start together. So you can see. Now the last question, we will add a new title and content slide layout. Okay, so we'll go to the home. This is title and content slide layout, and here we'll type thank you. And now click on the picture content icon. This is the picture content icon, and we'll select the KPPM logo, that picture I gave you here on the I think I gave you the picture inside the folder and the slide. So you can select the picture here, and then question told us, I close this. So question told us to make it a little bit bigger in size, and when you click on the KPPM logo, you should be directed to the KPPM web page and use hyperlink to the image. So we have to use hyperlink now. So we'll right click on the image, and there is an option called link or hyperlink, both are same. So you can go to the hyperlink option, and here you have to type kfppm.edu.sa. So if you click OK now, so this is now linked. When you go to the slideshow option, the link will be working. Now we'll add animation to this. So we'll add entrance fly in to the title. So select the title, animation, add animation, fly in is here, we can add from here. Now start after previous, start after previous, direction from bottom and duration fast. So let us go to the effect option, direction from bottom, and timing will be fast. Now picture entrance box, so let us select picture, add animation, entrance box. We have to go to the more animation, and box we can select from here. Then emphasis spin, again we select the picture, and we'll go add animation, and we'll add emphasis spin. Now the last part is we have to set both effects to be played together. Like before, just we know how to make it together. We have to click start with previous. Okay, so let me show you the effect. So the box and spin will be together now. So you can see box and spin together. So that is all for this exercise. Thank you everyone for watching.